the regular classic hot dog, cheese and onion hot dog. After you eat this, don't get too close to your neighbors because they might smell your breath. And last but not least, the works. So daylight savings time is finally over, the weather's getting warmer, and your friends are trying to invite you to barbecues. However, you're trying to lose weight because summer's around the corner. Well, today guys, I got you. We're gonna do a lower calorie, higher protein hot dog recipe. And it's gonna be so easy, even a caveman can do it. So sit back, relax, and let's enjoy the ride, because we out. What's going on? It's your boy, Louis Fa Sho. You know how we do. Back at it again with another recipe video. And guys, like I said, summer's around the corner. Weather's getting warmer. I know your friends are trying to invite you out. Barbecue this, barbecue that. So I got something for you guys that you can make that's still delicious and you'll stay on track and get those shreds. But before we get started, this is the fitness channel. So I gotta teach you how you can eat like this and still lose weight by going over my 4 rules. The first rule is to follow the 80-20 rule. 80% of my calories come from whole foods, which means lean meats, fruits, and veggies. And 20% of my calories come from foods just like this. My second rule is we don't skip our training, we don't skip our workout, we don't skip our cardio. I personally like to go in the morning and get out of the way, but you can go anytime you like as long as it fits you and your schedule. And the third rule is we eat our maintenance calories or below. So when you eat our maintenance calories, you don't gain weight, you don't lose weight. If you're above your maintenance calories, you gain weight. If you're below it, you lose weight. But hey, what if you don't know your maintenance calories? Well, my friend, looking for you, I have a free calorie calculator. Just go to BRINGTHESHREDS.com/tools. I'll leave a link in the description box below. Just type in your info and you'll be good to go. And the fourth and final rule is we don't drink our calories on this channel. Unless it's vodka. Alright guys, like I mentioned, it's super easy, right? I mean, we all know how to make a hot dog, but let's see what I got. First and foremost, I got the Signature Select hot dog buns. So Signature Select is a brand from my local grocery store. I don't know if you guys have it out where you guys live, but what I like to do is pick up each hot dog, right? And then turn it around and look at the lowest calories. So this is the lowest one I could find. And for one hot dog bun, it's 120 calories, 1 gram of fat, 24 grams of carbs, and 4 grams of protein. Oh man. So this one comes in 8. Next, we need the hot dog, right? But not just any hot dog. Today I have Applegate's Naturals. So this one's the natural, uncured turkey hot dog. So it's not a regular hot dog, it's a turkey hot dog. So the ones I was looking at, like the regular ones, are like 140, 160, some of them 120. This one's only 80 calories each. And a friend did mention to me, if you find the tofu ones, it's lower calories. But I'll be honest, I didn't know where the tofu stuff was. But I think if you go to your nearest Walmart, they carry that stuff. So just a pro tip. So this one's 80 calories, 5 grams of fat, 1 gram of carb, and 7 grams of protein. Oh man, bodybuilder style. So it's simple, right? Hot dog, bun. Next, we gotta do the condiments. And you guys know me, I have my secret hacks. So today for condiments, we have no sugar added ketchup, half the calories, same, great taste. French honey mustard, only 10 calories per serving. And of course, I love relish on my hot dogs. So today we have the Signature Select, 0 calories per serving. As I was looking at relish, they had sweet relish, they had other relishes. There's one that came in a bottle like this. I think it was for hot dogs, but that one was 20 calories. Another one was 10 calories. And guys, this one is 0 calories. And again, you guys know me, I like to pick the lowest one just so I can have more, you know what I'm saying? Because you know what they all say, more is better. And these other ones are optional. I have American cheese. You guys like cheese on your hot dog? So this one's actually the 2% American cheese. Back in the day, they used to have fat-free, and that one was 25 calories per slice. But for some reason, they got discontinued where I live. So if you guys have one near you, I'm jealous. But this one's not too bad. This one's actually 45 calories, 2.5 grams of fat, 2 grams of carbs, and 4 grams of protein. So if you guys can see, we're getting protein from the bun, we're getting protein from the turkey hot dog, we're getting protein from this, the cheese. Because after all, we need them gains, am I right? Last but not least, I do have cut up onions. I'm running pretty low. And I don't know about you guys, I can't just eat hot dogs by itself. I mean, I can, but I need some kind of chips or something, right? But not just any chips. Today I have baked Lay's, 65% less fat than regular Lay's. So this one is 120 calories, 3.5 grams of fat, 21 grams of carbs, and 2 grams of protein. And last but not least, I need something to wash this down with. But again, rule number 4, we don't drink calories on this channel. So today I have Minute Maid lemonade. Not just any kind, 0 calories, 0 sugar, 0 everything. Not sponsored. So this one's actually 5 grams. Usually the diet sodas I buy is 0 calories. This one's actually 5 calories, so not too bad. Oh, and just an FYI, you're not supposed to shake sugar cans, right? But this one, you're supposed to. It says right here, oh right here, shake well before enjoying. So if you guys do buy this, don't forget to shake well. All right, now that we got that out of the way, I'm gonna cook this up. And with the power of editing, whoa, and we're back. So I just cooked the hot dogs on the skillet and it took me like less than 5 minutes. So pretty simple, right? And guys, not gonna lie, this smells amazing. But now let's put on the condiments. For the first one, let's do the classic, and that's ketchup and mustard. All right, so pour it on like so. Oh, yo. And guys, I know usually hot dogs is regular mustard, but guys, I love honey mustard. Here we go. Oh, baby. For the second one, let's add the cheese and the onions. What do you guys say? So I was thinking about doing chili as well, but I forgot to pick some up. So maybe next time we'll get chili. Do like a healthy chili hot dog, you know what I'm saying? Oh man, that would've been all good. Bam. It's a little hot, so hopefully the cheese will melt. Some of the onions, the ones I have left. Oh, baby. And for the final one, the works. Let's put on everything. Well, I mean, everything as in what I have left. So ketchup, mustard, and relish. No joke, guys. My mouth is watering. Oh, man. I forgot to get a spoon. Ooh, baby. All right, guys. First, let's try the classic. This is what it looks like. Again, guys, protein from the bun, the hot dog, and yeah, that's it. So 4 grams of protein from the bun, and it's 120 calories. And then the hot dog was 80 calories, so 200 calories, right? That's pretty low for a hot dog. Think about it. So here you guys go again. The regular, classic hot dog. Oh, man. And let's do this. Come on. Dude, it tastes like a regular hot dog. So you know, like, it's turkey, right? When we add it with the bun, add the condiments, it's like the exact same thing. You can't tell the difference. I wouldn't lie to you. All right, before we move on to the next one, let's wash this down. Again, guys, you're outside, you're at the park, throwing a frisbee or football with your friends. What better way to chase down a hot dog than lemonade? You know what I'm saying? Zero sugar. Remember, don't forget to shake. I'm still scared, right? Because it's like, ugh. Hey, not too bad. Oh yeah, you can't go wrong with a hot dog and lemonade. Zero sugar lemonade. Am I right? Now let's move on to the middle hot dog. The cheese and onions. Oh man. Cheese and onion hot dog. After you eat this, don't get too close to your neighbors because they might smell your breath. Anyways, guys, let's do this. I don't know the name or the brand, but you know there's some hot dogs out there that have cheese inside already. You know what I'm talking about? It's like a 2-in-1. That's exactly what it tastes like. But of course we have 2% cheese and turkey hot dog. So not only are you getting the same exact taste, you're saving calories because hey, I got you. Wow guys, so far so good. I'm glad I made this video. But I need something to complement this with. Oh yeah, we have chips. So like I mentioned, what goes well with hot dogs? Lay's potato chips. And these are the baked version. Come on. Guys, not only are you enjoying yourself, and it tastes the exact same thing, you get that barbecue feeling, you know what I'm saying? Hang out with your friends, but you're also losing weight at the same time. Shh, don't tell nobody. And last but not least, the works. Ketchup, mustard, and relish. 0 calories relish. Let's do this. This one has to be my favorite, only because I'm a huge relish fan. Let's get some of those onions on here. Yeah? Alright. Oh my god. Again guys, summer's around the corner. You don't have to work harder, you just gotta work smarter. Also guys, let me know, do you guys like these kind of videos? Again, I love making them. They're just a little bit more expensive just because I have to buy every single ingredient. YouTube's not paying me. So if you do appreciate it, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. All right, let's go back to the classic hot dog. I love classic hot dogs, right? It's simple yet delicious, you know? Also, let me know down below. Spring is here, summer's around the corner. What are you most excited about? Are you excited about the barbecues, going to the pool, baseball games, or even a carnival or the county fair? Here's a hot dog with the cheese and onions. Again, after eating this, don't stand too close to your friends. And And last but not least, again, the works. My favorite. Oh yeah, these damn hot dog companies, the buns came in 8, right? And then the hot dogs came in 6. I know their marketing tactics. That's how they get you to buy more, you know what I'm saying? What am I gonna do with 2 extra buns? But I'll figure it out. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Customized 7-day meal plans are now available, so you can eat the foods you love and still get results. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to Bring the Shreds. We're all about moderation, not deprivation. Because hey, life is too short for brown rice, chicken breast, and broccoli all day. Am I right? Don't forget to bring the shreds, and I will talk to you soon. Peace. Go long.